Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, today we will start a new chapter of literature reader, unit 9, that is raising scorpions. Now before starting the chapter, let's have a look on the summary of the chapter so that it will make you clear more, it will develop more clarity in the chapter. So first let's see the summary. Now this story, Raising Scorpion, it is written by a writer named Gerald Duran. Now let's see the story. What is the story and what is the meaning of raising scorpion? Now the chapter Raising Scorpion, this chapter is based on the scorpion, that you all are familiar with the animal scorpion. So how the that scorpions that is loved by one of the boy, how he was so much passionate about watching scorpions, watching each and every moment. So that's why it is named as Raising Scorpion. Now, one of the Gary's favorite place is the crumbling wall that surrounds the garden. Its plastered brick, though the plaster is cracked and moss grows over the whole thing. He spends hours watching the different creatures that stalk along the wall. Now, this story is about a boy named Gerald. Okay, and this is just a pen name Gary's. Okay, Gary. So this story is about a boy Gerald who loves animal very much. ठीक है, he has immense love for animal, and his favorite places where he watch the animals is the crumbling wall, the walls which are not means smooth, in the sense ki the walls whose plaster is not very well. So what he do, he watch the animals, the creatures. Okay, so so what happened, so he spends hour watching the different creatures that stalk along the wall. So जो भी animals जो हैं, जो plastered wall होती हैं, जिनका plaster जो है वो crack हो रहा है, means जब walls में cracks आ जाते हैं, तो you must have seen कि उसमें जो है plants भी grow करने लगते हैं. Animals they make their home also. ओके, सो उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था गेरिल्ड को. ओके, सो ही स्पेंड आवर्स वॉचिंग द डिफरेंट क्रिएचर्स दैट स्टॉक अलॉन्ग द वॉल. सो गैरी इज स्पेशली entranced by the scorpion that live under the loose plaster. So there he found scorpion. Okay, under the plaster, that wall, the plaster was loose. Okay, so he found the scorpion and he was so much fascinated because he has an immense love for scorpion. He loved so much. Okay, so he finds them charming and assuming, and most safe, assuming that he doesn't touch them. So according to him, the scorpions, they are the most charming and the and also the most loving creature. Okay, unless and until you don't touch them. So he even observed bits of their courtship rituals which they undertake at night. So he usually spend most of his time watching each and every moment of the scorpions, the courtships. Okay, then how they their dance and everything. Okay, now the family, but the family of the Gerald, so that family does not allow Gerald having such type of love, means because according to his mother, because scorpions, they are the dangerous creature and they may bite. So his mother doesn't allow all these things. But of course Gary is so much fascinated by the scorpions, he can't forbid himself watching them. So the family forbids Gary from keeping a colony in the house, much of to his displeasure, as that would allow him to see all of their courtship. So but his mother doesn't allow him to keep the scorpion in the house, so that he doesn't like this thing, because if she would have allowed him, then he would have seen each and every moment of there. Okay, then he would have spent even the whole night watching them. Now what happened one day, he that Gerald, he found a female scorpion. Okay, and that scorpion was covered in a mass of tiny babies. So it was giving a somewhat furry appearance दे रहा था, because there was so many babies which were covering the mother scorpion. So now he decided to capture them so that he can watch the babies to grow. So what he did, he traps her in a matchbox. He took one matchbox और उसमें उसको trap कर लिया. Okay, and he went to his house. Now he arrived at lunch time. So what happened, everybody was ready for the lunch, so he put that box on the mantel and he went for lunch. But nobody was knowing about it. So he went there, and he got busy in having the lunch, and he forgot that new catch. Okay, now what happened, Larry, so Larry was his uncle, so he finished his eating and he goes in search of cigarette and matches, and he returns to the table. Now what he did, now unknowingly he found that matchbox was lying on the table, that mantle. So he took, unknowingly he opened that matchbox, and the scorpion, because scorpion animals, even if you talk about any animals, they like freedom. So if you capture them, to what happened, they become annoyed. So the scorpions, obviously they were annoyed, because Gerald, he has captured them, and he has put them in the matchbox. So they were very much annoyed. So as soon as his uncle, he opened the matchbox, the scorpion dart on its hand, they moved on its hands, and now the chaos and confusion started. Now Larry screams as soon as the scorpion, the baby scorpions, they started moving towards his hand. So he found some he felt some sensation, and he screamed very loudly, and he fling his hand. So the scorpion, they all were now on the dining table, and the babies all were here and there on the table moving. Now what happened, Roger was a dog. Okay, they have a pet dog, and he began barking wildly, because he thought that some unknown thing has happened, and being the means, and he thought ki I have to defend my family. So he started barking and moving wildly here and there, and in that confusion he found that ki only Lugrazia is the maid of the house. So the dog found ki only maid is that Lugrazia is the unknown one. So what happened, he bite her. Now Leslie and Margot, they were the siblings of Gerald. So they also started screaming. Now the scorpions, they hide under the table and cutlery, because the scorpions are said to be, they were the shyest creature. Means उनको जो है वो सामने नहीं रहते हैं. whenever they saw anybody, they hide themselves. तो सारे scorpions जो थे, वो plates या cutlery के नीचे जाके छुप जाते हैं. Now Gary anyhow convinces his family not to kill them, because there was a pandemonium in the house. There was a state of chaos and confusion, and everybody was so much frightened ki they were ready to kill that babies and scorpion. So anyhow Gary convinces his family so to not to kill the scorpions, and then he slowly collected all the babies and again put them on the matchbox. Okay, and he reluctantly carries the mother back outside and releases her onto the wall. Then he put everything and went to the garden and released everything. Now Larry जो था, now because of that event, ये जो सब कुछ हुआ, तो उससे Larry जो है, he developed a phobia of matchboxes. He was terrified of matchbox because he thought कि every matchbox has a death trap, सबके अंदर मौत छुपी हुई है. So Larry developed a phobia of this matchbox. Okay, and this Lugrazia, she also took week to recover. Okay, then what happened, now mother जो थी, she decided now it's time for Gary to receive more education, because he thought कि now it's time because Gary should learn more lessons and he needs some lesson. So he engaged a Belgian council to tutor Gary in French. So this is the summary of the story. What is the story, what it is all about, the characters. Now we'll be studying in detail about the story, line by line we'll be doing the explanation. So thank you, students.